Alright, here we go again. I figured out how to shut the stupid camera on, the light on the phone. So this is the 50mm lens with the anamorphic filter. I'll put that in the description, what that is. It's really basic. It's not rocket science. So what you got here, you got your, what, see that should be at 50, right there. So let's say you want to record, you hit that button right there. Then when you want to download it to your computer, what you want to do is, if you have a new one, usually I put it in here, it goes into my laptop there. So the SIM card is right over here. We shut it off, I'll take it out. Shut it off. Doing this one-handed. Not easy at all. Come on, baby. You locked it better. There we go. Wow, this is a great video. There you go. That's the SIM card you need. It comes with the camera. So you just put that right back. And when you're done making a video, like I said before, you put in the adapter. Depends on what computer you have. Many ways. So put it back in. If I could do it. Come on, hold on. There's the SP1200. Do you want to buy it? I don't know. SIM card is put back in. Turn it on, like I said before. Now you gotta have the exposure right. It's all set right. But I can't really make a video because it's hard to do it with one hand. But I'll put the description in the video. Also, it comes with this lens right here. I mainly use the 50mm, but this is great for pictures and video. It gives you dynamic views, apertures. Very simple. Simple camera. And also comes with a mic that clips on your shirt for audio. But I don't use it. I used to use it. In fact, let's do something here. Let's open up. There we go. I'm gonna open up my laptop. There we go. And while there, I'll show you the videos I made with the Canon. So hold on. Need a new computer, please. Somebody send me a new computer. A Mac, desktop. I have a PC, but I don't like it. Can't upload it. I'll show you what, I got an idea. Okay. Bam. Bam. There's the passcode. There we go, we're back. Let's go open iTunes, which I don't want. Quit out of iTunes, Apple, Command, tab quit. let's go to my channel. I could go to 80K Films. That's all I do. Let me switch channels. Switch 80K Films right there. Okay. View channel. Videos. Oh, that was one right there. All right, here we go. Now this was shot. I got an idea. Hold on. There we go. Got a video. Here we go. This was shot with my Canon.
You hit on the one. You hit on the one. You hit on the one.
And this was shot, same thing. Let's give it another. Look at more. That was the. Let me go to my channel again. Okay, here's the anamorphic I was talking about. Channel again. Close out of here. I'm not gonna play the audio. Now this was all filmed in anamorphic. No music. This is what Anamorphic does. It gives you that movie look, flares. I think in the description right here, right there. See it? Carl Zeiss, Bellatar 58-2, right there. There you go, a little, get the idea of the movie look. If I go back to the channel, there's an outside scene, which came out cool. Here it is. All right, here you go. This is just a short video. See what it does with the light flare? That's what I'm talking about. And that's it. I'm done.